We're gonna go find our Christmas tree.
In our last episode, Nicole, Fox, and I take a trip during American Thanksgiving to visit our families while simultaneously living out a fantasy of being a van life family.
So we're hitting the road and we're gonna go visit family for American Thanksgiving.
With help from RV and Go, we rented a Class C brand new Thor Magnitude RV and took it from Washington to Salt Lake City, Utah and back, visiting family, beautiful state parks, and natural areas along the way.
All right, we ready?
Ready?
Let's hit the road. Are you gonna drive us?
Eat our son. Eat our son.
What we didn't realize was that at the same time, Mother Earth was blanketing Komorebi, our property, with a heavy week of snowfall, intense wind, and an ice storm, and we would return to our yurt thick with snowfall and winter conditions. Typically, we are home for the snowfall and bundle up inside to conserve around the wood stove. Traveling to and from our incredibly remote home is dangerous and difficult. Here's what happened.
Spooky. Only 5:30. It's really dark.
Yeah. That's okay. I look in the garden and much bigger. That's the trail item. We're gonna do that special thing.
Yeah. Any other trucks? So it's just dog. Ginseng, come here. Are you happy to see us? You need to get some more lights on in here. Hi. I'm filming, by the way.
Babe,
Yeah.
this is gonna be the hottest fire in the fastest time ever.
I hope so.
Oh, whoa. Bro. 请给我。请给我，谢谢你。我给你。这是 Whoa. Push you over.
You feel the heat set? Here, ginseng.
"我们生活现在
The main part of living off the grid is making your own meals. Nicole and I come together as a couple when we cook together, and our knives make cooking healthier, easier, and more fun. With the Kanpeki knife set, Chukabochu cleaver, and Kuro series knife set, we have a knife for every occasion, every day. This time of year, as the seasons are changing, we're trying to use the last of our garden. That means things like broccoli, carrots, and enjoying the squashes we grew all summer. Each Kamikoto knife is made with Japanese Honshu steel, individually inspected, and are used by Michelin-starred chefs all over the world. Each knife goes through a 19-step process and has a lifetime guarantee. The 7-inch Nakiri vegetable knife, 8.5-inch slicing knife, and the 5-inch utility knife of the Kanpeki knife set rarely ever leave our counter since we use them so often. The ashwood box the knives come in makes a great gift, and since Nicole and I love our knives to be razor sharp, we also use the Toishi whetstone, which has a 1000 and 3000 grit side, for getting that high quality edge on our knives. Please check out the link below in our video description and use the special code when checking out to receive an extra discount.
Yes.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, Foxy. Are there any tracks in here? Are there any cougars inside here that have been here? Are there any chanterelles left?
I don't think so. If the snow melts, we might find some winter chanterelles.
Yeah. Your hands are in there.
So here's what they look like during the day. What do you think?
I think cougar for sure. Look at the distance that they are apart, and then the distance that the two are apart this way. So like they're together, mountain lion like, and I think the distance, you know, around 2.5 feet apart in step. And just the pads themselves are my amateur school of hard knocks tracking cougar. You know, not bear, not wolf, not puma and kai, but huge. Like I got a puma and kai print right over here, and these are about like 3 times the size. Puma and kai are 45 pounds. What does that mean? The cougar is like around 150, 200. So look where they go. They go right to the trail that goes to Komorebi and the yurt. And then, check it out. Here on the back side of the yurt, when we got back, I found deer hoof prints back there. So I wonder if the cougar was tracking the deer, you know? But look, they go right here. Here's a couple good ones. Like my hands are pretty huge. Put Nicole's hand down there too. Wow. So there's Nicole, me, and cougar. Dang. That's the closest that we've been to one so far.
I feel like you lose them here, yeah?
Maybe into the forest right there. Yeah, I see P right there. Oh yeah, look, there's this print going in there. So back in the forest that way.
Oh my God, there he is. Just kidding.
Someone's ready to kick some butt. Let's put a trail cam right here for a few days, see what we pick up.
Yeah.
Hey, 2 cougars. Because once they get to the logging road here, there's medium-sized footprints that go this way, and then there's the big dad or mom footprints that go that way. So it looks like a parent traveling with their teenager. Because look, small ones, and then where you're standing, the big one.
coffee.
Thanks.
I was feeling a bit festive this morning and I put some peppermint vegan marshmallows in your coffee. But now that I'm saying it out loud, is it weird to put marshmallows in your coffee?
No, it just makes me super high maintenance.
Oh, okay.
What else is in there? Coffee, some mushroom powder.
Yeah, mushroom powder, reishi, chaga, coffee, and milk, almond milk.
And peppermint vegan marshmallows.
Yes.
Is the bear gonna come and steal these marshmallows?
No.
Thanks, babe. This is really good.
Welcome.
You're very sweet.
Here's some tea for Fox. Yeah.
Whoa.
Pepper, salt, garlic powder, red chili flakes, onion powder, paprika. think you and I eat so healthy most of the time that in the winter when we're feeling winter blues, we gotta increase the calories, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so potatoes from the garden, hash browns, right? And then trying to do them like Thai style. So I've been trying to cook with more bananas, you know, whenever we have access to bananas, sometimes they go spotted and they go bad or they're too green. So I'm trying to cook with that. And so I kind of made the pastry dough with yeast, bananas, the egg in there, Thai style, and then we're gonna put some maple syrup and powdered sugar and honey on top.
All right, let's try it.
You're gonna sit down and tell me if it's good, and then I'll either expound on this recipe, make it better, or never have this again.
All right, sounds good.
I think the banana in this awesome.
No, I think it's really good.
Let's make it again, yeah? Mama. The soil is not frozen, it's totally workable because it's only 4 or 5 degrees out here. This is all snow from that week we were gone, and it's already 80% melted. I'm gonna go grab my garlic bulbs that are soaking in baking soda and water. I normally would soak them in like some fish or seaweed juice that I make here from the ocean, but I already put so much seaweed and fish in my soil that'll be sufficient. Tons of nutrients in here, and I'm just gonna dunk the garlic bulbs with some alcohol that will like kill off any kind of mites or anything that might eat them, and I'll plant them in the ground and hopefully I can forget about them until the spring. Yeah, so I'm gonna just take these off like that, and I got some root, and I mean, leave as much of the husk on as you can. Like, don't try to take husk off, you know? It's hard because we cook with this so much, you wanna shave it away, right? Mm-hmm. What do you think? We'll just do them like that, and we'll put them in the bowl. And let's get the whole bowl, and then we're gonna prep them for planting so they don't rot. Baking soda into here. Do you want this water? Any bets on whether or not he'll splash all the water out of this bowl?
100%. He thinks it's water play.
Yeah. Bro, you're adding bacteria into my solution. Anyways, baking soda. Sawyer. 这是你的大蒜。这是你的大蒜。啊，很多的大蒜，非常漂亮，对吧？ I'm gonna try something new this year. We're gonna, once this is soaked for an hour, then we're gonna put these all in a bowl of alcohol, like vodka or alcohol, for like 10 minutes. And that way bacteria is all gone, and then we can plant them knowing that there's not going to be a bunch of harmful bacteria that's going to turn them to mush, right? 给我你的手。啊！呀呀呀！ Hey, how are you guys doing? Hey, foxy blue eyes. It's good. Does he like being outside of the yurt there?
I think so.
It's slippery and cold, but like, look how the soil's all workable.
That's good. You think they'll make it?
I think it's supposed to be like 0, 1, 2 at night, but then there's like one day where it's gonna be like -6, but then back to 0, 1. So
yeah.
I mean, it's a big experiment. Usually, like for our area, you want to plant Halloween, American Thanksgiving, so around there. So we're a little late, but it's beautiful garlic. It's beautiful soil. Let's try it out.
Cool.
So I think maybe it's just enough to do these 2 beds, because look, I'm doing 4 rows.
Yeah.
4 inches apart, 5 inches apart, and
cool.
I think these 2 full of garlic would be a lot of garlic.
For sure.
Okay. You're excited?
Yeah, I like garlic. I like being able to, like, planting. It's crazy how you plant it during the fall and then it just goes over winter. It just blows my mind.
Yeah, it's like for people that have the gardening bug, it's the thing you can do over the winter and still feel good.
And with garlic, it's something that we cook with like every day.
See, that's the thing that I want. I don't ever want to buy garlic or garlic powder again, because I love cooking with garlic powder. It's so expensive. And more than ever, like I've always told my gardening students back in the day, like, food is getting more and more expensive. For God's sakes, grow a garden.
Yeah.
That's more important now than it ever has been.
Let's go get some water for tea.
Hey, come here. You want to see? Need a das one. Need a das one. Need a das one. I actually love doing this in the snow, man. I feel like all the snow is just containers of micronutrients. And I always think about things like storms and tsunamis and forest fires and hurricanes and earthquakes as incredibly good things. You know, I don't think they're sad, horrible things. Those kind of natural events, you know, make the earth as beautiful as it is, and they push those nutrients around, you know. So this snow is like, how many nutrients are in here that the earth brought in the form of snow, and now as it melts, it'll feed my garden. Hey, babe. Fresh carrot juice or steamed carrots for dinner?
한 번. 대박. 喜欢水吗 ？Shit. 哦，非常冷。OK， 走吧，走吧。哇！
But somehow I have to break this enough just to have the water come through here, so the water sits on top of here, because we got the thermosiphoning happening where the cold water pulls from the bottom and then the hot water comes from the top. So I have to figure out how to melt it or break it enough to where the water can come through there, because I can't get this going without water being in there. Wait up. Freak a little bit. That's a thick piece of ice. Wow. So I'm gonna take him inside and then get to chopping. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What's the matter?
It's cold. Oh, it's frozen. It's frozen. It's frozen seal. There's no way. It's frozen. Feel mommy? Do you like the little decorations? So this is my first year doing this, where you dehydrate the citrus. I got grapefruit, lime, and orange. I think it turned out really cute. So we have holly bushes or trees, I'm not sure what they are, all over the place. So I think I'm going to get some holly berries to put in between to kind of break it apart. But I think they turned out really cute. Yeah. Look at you. Look at you. You look so handsome. Is this your Christmas tree attire? Are we gonna go find our Christmas tree? You look so cute. Look at that hat.
What did you do to my warrior son there?
What do you mean?
You got him in a cute little...
You brought it up and now he's gonna take it off.
Oh, sorry. But
This will keep you warm, love. This is his Christmas tree attire. We're gonna go find our first Christmas tree.
he looks like a little German mountain boy. Nice shoes too. Look at those shoes.
Oh, his shoes, yeah. Ready? Okay, let's go.
Hey, 你的眼睛很蓝色的，对吧? We're learning a lot about our family here. Where do Fox's blue eyes come from?
Both sides of the family. Because your grandma, his great grandma, has blue eyes, and then my dad's side of the family is blue eyes. So, both sides of the family.
So it's just us that don't, but everybody in and around us has blue, yeah?
Yeah.
So it skipped over us back to Fox.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Right. Yeah, this one or this one? I'm gonna go for this one. But obviously, I wouldn't cut all the way down to the bottom. I would cut like there. The yurt isn't very big, so this would be a good size.
Why are you like a Lara Croft Tomb Raider elf of the forest here?
Because you can never be too prepared. There's a few here on the leaf, you know?
Two of them.
Two of them. I'm not gonna like jab them, but
Watch out for that baby.
I don't know. I got this from a very talented artist from Etsy, or on Instagram. You can find her. It's Rabbit's Path. I'll link it down below. But she made this shirt and this sheath with the knife. So I would definitely check her out. She's a wonderful artist and makes very good, high quality stuff. So.
And how come you're not going for a hemlock Christmas tree?
Because the top's all sad and droopy. I think this one will be perfect. I looked around and there's not a whole lot of, I mean, all the trees are pretty mature around here. There's really not a whole lot of small ones. So I think this is our best bet. And it's right in our front yard. So. Timber! Alright, look, and there's another one growing behind it. So that could be next year's tree.
My friend, what do you think? Oh.
Okay, you ready?
Alright, let's go.
And we put it on the tree. These are the new ones. We got Papa, Mama, and Baby Bear.
That's cute.
Get the baby. What do you think?
And this one's cool too. I like these.
Yeah. Yeah, I got a couple of those ones.
Get it, babe. Get it.
This is like a Christmas movie.
What happened?